Hello everyone, in this session we are going to learn Introduction to Drawing. In the Siemens NX drafting section view command used to create a section view from any parent drawing view. This tutorial will guide create a simple step, revolve and half section view in the NX drafting application is used for creating technical drawings. You can start the drafting module in two different ways. To activate drafting application in the NX, press Ctrl plus Shift plus D on the keyboard at the same time. Click on the application icon in the application ribbon bar, design group, drafting. There are two methods to create drafting file. Inside the modeling file, activate the drafting application in the modeling file. Outside the modeling file, create new NX file, open drafting application and select files to create a drawing. Inserting new sheet, editing sheets. New sheet command creates sheet for technical drawings. In the sheet command dialog, there are several options to create a new sheet. We will see this in software, how to create it. Up to projected view. Okay, here you can see the window. I will go to drawing and select a sheet size. Here you have provided all the sheet sizes. I will select A4 and click OK. Here our A4 size sheet is inserted. Here the dates, first issue date, drawn by, checked by, approved by, these details will fill. After filling these details, click close and go to, you have to open first a model and then see here we have selected a double bearing. Click on next. Then here you have some options. Preview style, set which you want. I will set as shaded. Then click on next. Model views you can select from here: top, front, right, back, bottom, left, isometric and trimetric. Click on next. Here you can select the views which you want in the sheet. I will select all and click on finish. See, all the views are created here. If you want new sheet, from here you can insert a new sheet. And now how we have inserted all the parts from view creation wizard. Likewise you can insert all the views of a drawing from here. Then if you want only one view, that is base view, then click on base view. Now if you want the projected view, click on projected view and click here. Okay, this is your projected view. Close. This is how you can create a projected view. Okay, thank you.